Hi, I'm Catherine Trombley, and today I'm answering a question we've received from a few clients. The question is, how long does a company have to retain or store applicant information, including their resume, interview notes, test scores, and references? To clarify, what we're addressing here are the candidates who were not hired. These are job seekers that provided the company with sources of personal information when applying for a position, but they were not selected. The legal answer is that there is no specific law that requires an employer to retain records of individuals who apply for a position and provide their resume. There's no law requiring companies to keep interview notes or test scores or references. However, we recommend that interview notes, resumes, test scores, references all be stored for all job candidates for 1 year, just in case the job applicant feels that they were discriminated against in the recruitment process. If an applicant decides to file a human rights complaint, they have 1 year to file it from the date of the alleged incident. Now you may be thinking, this would never happen. In what context would an applicant issue a human rights complaint? Well, for us, with 24,000 interviews per year and 8,000 placements, we received 2 specific complaints that were specifically associated with applicants that felt we had discriminated against them because when they were not selected. So in one case, the complaint arose from a candidate who felt that our firm and our client had discriminated against her because she is a visible minority and has a challenging surname. We were glad we had our notes. In our search, we were able to show that our firm had contacted 120 candidates for the role and that the selected candidate in the end was stronger than the complainant in both skills and experience. And the selected candidate was also a visible minority with an even more challenging surname. And so we had enough information to demonstrate that we had not discriminated. In the second case, a candidate with a minor disability who needs appointment time for physiotherapy felt that we had discriminated because she had appointments during the workday. Again, we were glad we had our notes. We had contacted over 70 candidates for the role, and the candidate selected was stronger than the complainant in both education and skill. We never presented the candidate to our client because she was not solid enough. So when you consider 2 complaints and 24,000 interviews in a year, it's very low. But the information that we had kept was so valuable to be able to defend our position of not having discriminated. So for the purpose of human rights claims, it's a really good idea to keep all applicant information for 1 year, including any reasons that the candidate was not selected. We hope you found this information useful, and if you have any questions, email us and we'll be glad to provide you with any kind of answers that would support your HR practice.